walking with Tessa in our blizzard. Oh, I'm taking a video of you walking in the blizzard. Blizzard 2015. Oh, Jack fell off the swing again. Tess, what do you think Elsa would think of this storm?
She would think it'll be perfect.
Yeah. What do you think of this storm? Yeah? You like it? Good. It's a small boy and a lot of snow. The snow is up to his waist. But nothing stops the powers, kids. Not a blizzard, not nothing. What are you doing, Tess? Sitting in your house? Is it comfy? Jeez. Can you move?
Hey, look! Look how close I am now!
You're making it. Keep going! Wow, the snow's up to your chest there. That's crazy. I cannot believe this.